you want to come see Joanne?
Humboldt Honey is a honey company that's community-oriented. The reason we decided to partner with the Impact Lab is we are gardeners and beekeepers, and the whole business idea of a business is not our forte.
Our goal for the semester was just to create like a central hub for them in an Excel spreadsheet where they could see their metrics, KPI, revenue, expenses, margins on specific apiaries, just to try and make it easier for them to make smarter financial decisions.
When we realized they didn't have a standalone website, we decided by creating them a fully functional website, it would be a great way for them to broaden their reach to the community and educate more people on beekeeping and environmental stewardship.
Oh, babies.
Now we have these tools and can put them into practice right now. And that is deeply helpful for small businesses when there are so many things to do.
She's gonna...
Getting hands-on experience and working with a real client means everything as a student. It's just really valuable experience that you usually see in an internship, but it's just part of our education, which is really cool.
The work I'm doing in school is making an impact outside of just my grade. And so getting to work with a real client, what we do matters to them and it matters to their business. The work that we got to do in Impact Lab is going to be seen for years to come.